All right, so I'm down in the basement right outside the theater, right? So, I bought this popcorn machine and I don't use it. Well, at least I want to give myself some grace, right? Because I've been doing all the things, right? But now I have the taste for popcorn. When we were having our date night in the theater, right, on Valentine's Day, I was like, where's the popcorn? I mean, we had popcorn we could have popped in the mic, but I want to use this. So it's all put together nice and everything. It was just on display, but now I'm about to use it. So I just turned it on. They say to heat it up 3 to 5 minutes, right? So that's what it's doing. And then, yeah, I'm going to get the popcorn in there. And I grabbed all these fun seasonings too. So I want to get them in here with the popping oil. Oh my goodness. Yes on that. I have ranch, white cheddar, cheesy jalapeno, kettle corn, caramel corn, bacon cheddar, butter, and nacho cheddar. So yes on that. Here's my big old popcorn. I'm ready to go. So I put the oil in the little one and the popcorn in the big one. It should be quick and fast. Yeah, oh my goodness, I'm excited. And then turn it back on. Let me turn the light on. I need to see what's rocking. Yeah. So it fogged up, but let me see on the other side. It's definitely popping. Yes on that. Oh my goodness. I wish it wasn't fogged up, but you can kind of see it falling and coming out of the top. If I open the door, it's going to fall all over the floor. Okay, it said once it stopped popping to turn it off. Yes on that. My first popcorn. Oh, it's some in here. Wait a minute. All right, so I had to turn the knob to flip it so that, all the rest would come out. So that's a nice amount. Yeah, so go ahead and throw the little seasonings on there, right? And then now I know how much I need to pop for the 4 of us if we're all down here rocking. You know what I mean? So I will probably do maybe 1 or 2 more, right? Yes on that. Hey guys, I'm in a Disney beauty room. I'm at my vanity, so I'm about to do my nails. I went to the Dollar Tree like that. Oh my goodness. So I have the velvet nails from Dollar Tree. These are my faves right now. I had a couple more packs in there, which I need to clean out my nail drawers so bad. So yes on that. I'm going to, they've been off for probably, they look so bad, for probably like 2 days now, I feel like. So this is the nail glue that I use. I just bought some more at Dollar Tree too. They come 2 in a pack. So yeah, the only thing I'm gonna do is just push my cuticles back and everything with this, and yeah, wash them off and then get the nails on. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have more. So this is just the oil, the cuticle oil that I use from the Dollar Tree, right? Quick and fast. So I'll massage it in there and I'll take this right here, which I grabbed a bunch of these from TikTok. I feel like they were my faves, so I just got a ton of them. And I'm pushing those cuticles back because when I put my nails on, I don't want them to sit on top of my nail. They need to look like they're growing. You know what I mean? So I have to push my cuticles back a little bit on that. But left hand and then right hand. So I am right-handed. So whenever I'm doing my right hand, it's so awkward. Oh my goodness. But yeah, and I'm trying, like, you could tell I go much slower when I'm doing my right hand. It's so funny. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I do what I need to, right? And they all come out really, really nice. Gonna be sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. So once that's done, I'll massage it in really, really good. Like it's really, in my skin. You know what I mean? So just that so they can look as natural as possible, right? And then, when you're at the salon and they take that nail tool and they kind of cut around your cuticles. So once I do this with the oil, it's already coming up. So I'm able to just kind of pick it off and it works out perfectly for me. So yeah, now I'm massaging it right on in there and I'll be good to go. Yes, on that. So when I come back, because now I'll leave and this is hours later, I feel like. I don't normally put the nails on right away. I like for the oil to sit a little bit, right? So now my hands are clean. I wash them and I make sure that my nail beds are like squeaky clean. You know what I mean? Because once I put the glue on, it won't stick if that oil and all is on my nails. So now I'm just sizing them up, right? Making sure that they fit. And I always get, if it's not a pack of 24, I will get 2 packs of 12s because some of my fingers are the same size. I think I have I think I have like 6 that are the same size, which is so funny. So yeah, so I usually, I'm trying to see with this thumb, like I couldn't figure out, it was like a little bit too big. It was showing some of my nail on the side, but I got it together. So now it's time for me to put them on. And this is the glue I said, 2 in a pack from Dollar Tree. So sometimes I'll put it on a nail and then I'll put it on like this. And sometimes I'll put it on a nail bed itself, most of the time actually. So then I'll just wait a few minutes until I feel like it's sticking right. And yeah, I'll just do all of my nails. But before I go to my right hand, because that's the hardest part for me, I'll cut my left hand first so they're already the size that I want them to be. So yeah, it all works out in the end. Right. So I was going to say, I'm watching Young and the Restless. Yes. So I know hubby he's looking for Hershey. So at some point, I think he's going to come in and ask me where she is. It's going to be a whole conversation. Young and the Restless, him. It's a whole thing.
Where's she at?
Who?
Hershey.
I don't know. Why, y'all didn't go out?
No, she's not downstairs.
Let anybody, and I really doubt it would be. It's not true. I know it feels that way.
Have you seen her?
She's so sweet. Her mom's.
She not in the laundry room?
All her milestones.
Look in the room, in the bedroom behind the chair. Look in the room behind the chair, by the window. Is she in there?
Hershey on her cage.
She in, huh?
Yeah.
No.
Goodness. So new day. So I got a few packages from Amazon, right? So this one, the winter white tree is still out with the Valentine's Day stuff, but all the Valentine's Day stuff is off of it. It was minimal anyway, so I took that off. And I needed another, tree cover, tree wrap, tree bag. Yes. So, girl, hubby and I, right before work, I think it might have been this day. No, it might have been the next day, right? I'm showing you my pack of joy and anxiety, the ducks that one of you got for me. So they were going to work with me. So yes on that. But we went to put it on. I think it's the next day. We went to put it on. And don't you know hubby broke the zipper? He broke the zipper. So I had to return that one, get another one. He was trying to rush. It was a whole thing. I mean, the zipper was probably, you know, kind of fragile or whatever. So I 100% don't blame hubby. So it was okay. But I was craving. Look how Hershey's looking at me. Oh my goodness. I was craving Frosted Flakes. So I'm going to just chill, right? Very relaxed in the morning, watching the time. So, you know, I don't have to run out. But yeah, I'm just going to relax here for a minute, jump on my iPad real quick, and have some Frosted Flakes. Yes, on that.
Coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a cuppa, get to your clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gonna me.
So it's time for me to get out of here, right? So I'm gonna throw on the LL Bean, right, coat that I thrifted. I did a try on, I feel like. I don't remember how much it was, but I was trying to see, you know, how I was rocking, right, with the outfit. It was perfect. So I needed a scarf, though, with this outfit because the shirt I had on, the shirt is thrifted, too. Yes, on that. But I needed a quick little throw around because it was a little chilly, and the shirt is thin. So, yes, on that. I was telling Kara that she had a package. Yes, look at her. I need to take that tree all the way down. Look at Hershey. What you got? What's this
flour?
for?
Flour.
Oh, flour? For what?
New vitamins.
Oh, for your vitamins?
Yeah.
Because the letters, you know, came off on the other one, so I let it come in her name so she can get a package. Yes. Girl. She waiting for her to probably drop the paper or something. Look how she's looking at her. Oh, my goodness. Look. So new day, right? Actually, the next day. So this is the day that hubby and I, it was right before he left that we pulled the tree out. I had it almost all the way to the bottom and the zipper broke. But again, it's okay. I got another one. So it'll be gone, I'm hoping, by the weekend. So I'm just gathering all the pillows. It's nice and quiet in the house now. You know, the girls are gone. So I'm just packing up all of the Valentine's Day stuff, right? It's time for all of that to go. I'm over the tree, at least the winter white. I am going to decorate the one in the basement because it's a different space. I do want to decorate the one in the basement. I'm going to try to keep up with it. I do have the things for Easter so far, so I'm happy about that. Not sure if I'm going to move the ladder back over to the other side where the tree was. It looks kind of bare. Like in the kitchen, I'm just looking at a blank wall. So I think I might, as I'm looking, I think I might move it back over. I feel like. So yeah, just gathering all the Valentine's Day stuff. I'm going to hit the bar area. And yeah, I'll be good to go. All of this will be put away. So yes, on the runner, I'm going to just fold it up and put it right in the drawer. Perfect, right? I love this dining room set, and I love the fact that it has the drawers. So anything like this gets folded and put right in a drawer every holiday now, right? So, yeah. What you guys been doing all week? I wanted to put the video up for you last night, Thursday, but you'll see in the next video on Sunday that I stepped out and time got away and I couldn't put the video up, but hopefully you guys are here tonight rocking with me. So yes, on that. I'm over here at the bar now in the corner, and it wasn't too much over here. It was minimal, so it made it easy. So yeah, just throwing everything into the dining room, like on the table, and I'm rocking, taking everything out of the kitchen, right, that screams Valentine's. Just gonna put some things on top of the refrigerator and the rest of the things in the dining room on the table so that everything could just go back into the bins. So yeah, not too crazy, right? Yes on that. So I was thinking what I was going to do next. I do want to do St. Patty's, but only a touch of it. And I feel like I want to blend the spring, the greens in with it. You know, I'm just so over the snow and all the things. So I definitely want to bring that out. I feel like I want to bring my basics back too, like the black and white Ray done, but I don't know. I'm thinking I have a little bit of time. Everything's empty now, so I have a little bit of time to think about which way I want to go. I do want to put up, because I bought a couple of St. Patty's things, right? So I do want to use them, but yeah, we'll figure it out, right? Yes. I'm home, you guys. Look what came today. Yes. Here, Mommy. Yeah. Oh, she about to do her whole recording, unboxing situation. I told you that all. She was my inspiration for YouTube, 100%. Let me show you real quick since she stood up. Oh, she grabbing a scissor so she could cut it open. So yes, on the Autistic Barbie, she has headphones like you, Mommy. Wait, let me see. Let me see. I'm sorry. Is that a fidget? She has a fidget. That is, and look, is that the iPad up top? Oh, that's like, hold on. I cannot think of what this program is. She has it on her iPad. They use it to communicate.
Headphones.
Yeah, the headphones. Oh my goodness, I'm drawing a blank right now. But here you go, Mommy. Yes on that. You're welcome. She is so funny. She do not mess around. Look. She got it out the box. So pretty. I hope she doesn't cut her hair. She's been doing that a lot with the Barbies. Like they in a salon.
Have fun. Got iPad. Yes.
You like it, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so she can hold it. You hear her? She running across the floor like a maniac. So yes on that. I spoke too soon.
How?
You cut her hair?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.